A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a new video today. I'd like to take you through the process of resetting the service for the BMW X1 F48 model year 2019, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. I'll let this run for a moment because first we'll take a closer look at what exactly needs to be reset and what kind of service was performed. I know that was done here, so just give me a quick moment to check everything out. Then we'll navigate to Vehicle, and from there we can see exactly what it's prompting us to do next. So there we see engine oil. We can scroll down here, check the service requirements, and we see that the engine oil needs to be reset. Now it's crucial to make sure all doors, trunk and hood are properly closed. Turn the ignition on. Swing, then wait until this light goes off. Press the 0 button once. Then, service required, engine oil, all clear out here. So, now we can press around here, and this is everything that we can reset in this section. So we want to reset the motor oil, then we press the button here again and hold it down. Then it says perform reset, we press it again. So, and then. It resets the whole thing. Done. It's that easy. Yes folks, that's how quick and simple it is to reset the service. And, if you enjoyed the whole thing, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription. Write down in the comments which cars we should reset next, everyone. Service, TPMS, whatever it may be, write it all down in the comments below, and I'd say, see you next time. Bye.